UV Germicidal Light UVC lamp timer bulb with base E2625W110V covers up to 400 SQ feet UVC ozone free. 4 timer modes 5, 15, 30, 60 minutes, more safer, automatic turn off, designed for different size rooms. Warm warning, when this lamp work, eyes and skin can't expose to the UVC light must leave room, turn off the bulb before approaching it. More convenient, including a removable base with 5.5 feet cord and plug, can be placed anywhere. Save time, no longer need to wait turn on the UVC lamp when out, had finished working when come back. Covers up to 400 SQ feet 8,000 hours long lifespan, each bulb passed through 2 inspection processes. 100% satisfaction and money-back guarantee. We vouch for our Germicidal bulb's efficiency and durability. In the unlikely event you are dissatisfied with your purchase, you are free to return it to us within the first 90 days and receive a full refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.